right, now welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now still the late night show be this, and of course I get my guy, my G, DJ Izybeatz. Today, now anchor it be today. So today choppers go run every on top in next package.
That's so.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this particular point in time, we want to bring to you the Coco. You understand me now? Hey, hey, hey. Somebody say, all right, so that the Coco be this. So Izybeatz now go anchor the Coco today.
You see how the thing they sweet me. It can't be like say even when you know they do DJ stuff, you still enjoy yourself.
Of course now.
Oh, this way I go just there, they scratch. Only you go just there, they show yourself.
You can see your finger.
One
of the shots anyhow like this. It's not scratch the full finger come on. Let it be like crippled things now.
If I clone on the Coco way day today, the thing will shock you now.
Man, give me the Coco.
Okay, now Sam, the first Coco way day be say, you get two couples like that.
Hey, that's what they do now.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Okay,
hey, Moki take can begin. Now go hello.
Now we do hey.
Hey. So you get two couples like that.
Hey.
These couples, they can't adopt Peking. And the part we can't funny them, they say, when they adopt the Peking, no, this part make me laugh. Make I fair arrange myself first. They say as the Peking, they grow, they come. He begin to show some signs and wonders. They think and say maybe the Peking, they like normal baby.
Okay.
But as in they grow, they can't stand this Peking, they do anyhow.
Hey.
When the Peking done it for 8 months, only you want by self. You go your hole in breath, you go your fence.
On a fainting pin.
Only you want go just hold in breath. You go your fence.
Now the Peking be this so.
If now look on TV now, see the Peking there. When in there for 8 months, you go just hold in breath. You go just faint. The story not still end there.
Okay.
After when you done there like 3 years.
Hey.
You go just carry knife, just begin to stab watermelon. You go small Peking, go carry knife and stab watermelon.
They shook up.
So now the one way come there now be say the people we adopt and the parents now they don't fear say this small Peking now see that killer blessing.
No, they buy the full
I'm telling you, they don't fear.
This watermelon they learn choking.
They don't fear. So Ogbi, how you see the matter?
My brother, this Peking are deliverance so. I see no be small business they go be this one, but for this side of the world. Not be, let's take him to a psychiatric one. Beat her. Carry broom, come out, Makaya. Give her flog the Peking. Go flog ogbonge come out for your body. Lie.
No, but the thing what really fear me for the matter be say, why small Peking go just carry? Come wait to, how you go just carry in your spirit come from your one?
They adopt the Peking now. So for when they put the Peking in the first place, Peking don't have contact with chief for that side.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. So you don't claim it. So you ain't gonna go adopt. When they go adopt children, more they pray and fast though. Not baby Peking they adopt too. So when you do like this, Uncle, come and pick me. You go there for us for midnight, just see person they fly for us. Hey! Be careful. Be careful.
The part where you trip, you say, injured in your hole in breath,
don't faint. I go show now, not be that one, I go show now.
I go show now. Should be now, I won't carry abi. Okay, anyway, the second Coco, muna hala.
The Coco!
The waiting?
The Coco!
Now so on the second Coco, this one, now see another ogbonge matter. Say, unto say 4 men and 2 women, they go dance. Now dance, they go dance.
Groove.
They go dance for one Pakistan wedding like that. Now, if you imagine what they get.
Tell us something.
The story touched my heart.
Oh.
Because of say they go dance for one kind of traditional wedding for Pakistan, they sentence all of them to death.
Hey! To death?
Yes, so.
For dancing for...
Because they go dance for the Pakistani wedding.
Seriously speaking?
They just sentence them to death.
Say for Pakistan, they don't agree make... Okay, they don't agree make man and woman too they over-involve for public.
Yeah, 4 men and 2 women like that.
So those that maybe they go drink or maybe they don't go collect alcohol. They come the form say, oh, but come here, baby, come here, baby. They don't say phone, they touchlight, they look there.
Based on the Oyibo you on that, imagine in Nigeria and this thing happen.
Aye.
Or they can't bring that kind of law come Nigeria.
No go. Yoruba will go fight it. Close your. Igbo, fire, we died there. You not go work for this country. You not go work for this country. But that's a very, very strict rule.
You don't understand?
Say because
so you just go dance for a party like this, they just sentence them to death.
No, it's not like some church where they allow me man and woman sit down together. Yeah, some churches do now. I don't want to mention their name.
No, mention
very
them,
choose people, very choose people. They like to they wear yellow camouflage and every you know.
Okay,
but man and woman is not for the same place. I should say when they go heaven, they go separate self.
Because we meet ourselves.
We see there, we see there.
We'll meet you
Darling, we'll jump forever, we'll jump forever. But they're very strict law. But at the same time, I feel say it's too strict.
It's too
but
strict.
Making it happen for this side of the world.
No.
Very, very sad story. But I know say they still look inside the whole matter.
We made they look so that made them know as the matter go take go. So my country people, now the end of the cocoa for today.
All right.
Now it be this.
Yes, sir.
So as Ogbolor they do me, I go throw and give them now. Oh yeah, catch them.
Hey, they are daddy. All right, so
carry
on enter the band. They will give us the cocoa song. From there, enter break, then break back and do interview things. We are not go anywhere. Now still the late night show. Hey, hey, All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, now welcome back to a late night show, and I me myself and Ogbolor baby, the hardcore heavy out of the Mara. I know say that it be like this now. I don't see Izybeatz anywhere, and because I don't say that make me go fetch water come back. But ladies and gentlemen, make una follow us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there. Then socials every information I want to give us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, one more time now, welcome back to the late night show. And of course, I get the very, very wonderful band in the building. Together, all of us will run the whole package for today on a Friday traditional pre. Okay, but I want to do small gist before we leave them. Make them perform again for everybody. And I'll just call on 3 of our brethren. I'm gonna show this way, and all of us go follow Yan. 2 of the singers them, and of course one of the saxophonist guy, the guy that hold the pam things. How are they?
Could they find no?
Yeah, the way they do face like one heavy. Not this village I'm about them. Those men, they drink anything.
Nah, so I be.
Hey,
Nah, so I be.
Come, I tell you something.
Nah, so I be.
Yeah. So how far now? So what be your own name?
Oh, my name now Samson Olajuwon Oduyemi.
Samson Olajuwon Oduyemi. Then a proper naija guy.
Proper Naija.
Full complete name.
I join them together.
Auntie?
My own name now Modot Dominic Anita. Yes, Modot.
Is it Modo?
Like Modot, like dots, like
Modot.
dots. Yes.
She na abbreviation of name. I mean, the full name be
Now
Modot.
the full name now be Modot.
Because the guy won't get what we say her name and her Grace, but they call her Grrr. So we say, are you a generator? I mean, you'll be lying on what's wrong to you. So Modot now from which side?
Yeah, I'm from Akwa Ibom State.
Akwa Ibom?
Yeah.
Hey, how about you?
Idiake.
Hey, no, my sister. From my papa's side, Sha. You know, so,
Those are our complexion.
no wonder we
image.
they connect.
You know that kind of
We're
thing.
not true. We're not far from complexion.
But we
Bond
try.
offerings. And our bros, how far?
Yeah,
So your own name now?
my name now Orishile Bidemi Olaoluwa.
Orishile.
Bidemi.
Orishe.
Orishile.
Orishile. Okay, meaning head open house.
No, Ed.
You use that open house.
Orishile. As in, they said boast the house. So
Anything where you call them.
you can explain for us the meaning of your name.
Shile. Now the money where they spend olden days.
Okay.
So Orishile.
Okay.
Shile.
Any wish
Money
name?
of head.
Money of head.
Or head of money.
All right, so now I want to do these music things for a while, and this particular instrument where they play now, saxophone. I hear say people where they play them very well.
Really?
Their things they swell up. Now I don't hear.
Na fabu,
So,
na fabu.
na fabu.
Na fabu.
Why? How?
You know they happen now.
Eh.
I never
But
say-
your own lips not red.
Must it be red?
Some people they only play this thing for a very long time. They get some kind mark for lips.
No, trumpeter.
Okay.
Because they defy their mouthpiece.
So the thing they always give them this thing for mouth.
For
Then.
mouth.
So how go tell you so your own never swear now?
I never swear.
Oh, yeah, show us now, show us.
Now they show that kind of thing, I beg.
Now Friday, before some children will die for us. All right, so how long you don't do for this music things?
Ah, my brother, I don't think small.
Okay, we don't hear the history. No, we don't come out for
You
you.
don't think small. Well, I go talk say maybe still dey use that kind 6-7 years before medical school enter.
Oh, so you're a medical doctor. Oh. So from doctor, you jump enter say band things.
About you know say one way no enter market.
Different way to the market. You understand? But say your
so
own now. Say you can't join this band now. Say now onto hustle or passion.
Hey, na passion o.
Passion.
No be unto us o, na passion. If I no get passion for one, medical school no give me time o.
Exactly.
Now say the passion.
But now, your people then we can allow you come go dey do this band thing because you go dey carry you now they travel well. Abi, they carry you waka for. Sometimes you go do night work and everything. As woman now, how they take the reason for your own side?
Everything I understanding. Though you know they easy when I tell my people say I want do music.
Okay.
You know the challenge too much. Mom go say, hey, this speaking not they turn another thing for my hand, that kind of thing. But one night like that, I just sleep. I just say make I wake up, go wake them up around midnight. Now make I just follow them talk as
Around
around like that 3 o'clock.
Ah.
No, that kind of thing.
Ungodly hour.
That time I you follow them talk. You know, say that time I Jesus Christ I be the pray.
Exactly.
So
You are a church
I
girl.
pray finish for my mind. I can't pray finish. Say okay, man, go follow these people talk. Make Holy Spirit follow me.
Malakayemo.
So now I just do small speaking in tongues. Now go call them. Say I go knock their door. Say
Mommy,
Papa,
daddy, sit down here.
Mama, I won't follow you. Now talk. Okay, this kind of thing I won't talk. So I beg me kuna no vex. I go there rude, but at the same time now because of waiting I won't do my passion. If not, if I don't do this thing, I know sure I will survive. So now they tell me say okay. They know first green. My mom first do
normal graduate.
As they don't say this speaking, no, if you not answer me, I go they do my own thing. But at some point, they shall agree me.
For you,
know. So if I tell them say I day here, they know say I day. Because I don't already follow them talk that kind of matter. Say okay, now like this. Because they know one situation be say the woman they lie for them. Say if I tell them say I day school, meanwhile not be school I day one show.
What that show they do things as woman.
As woman.
Because you know so your papa now, for example, the reason say, hey, my daughter, where's kind boys there? They're gonna take the testings. Please.
So as I don't follow them talk that matter finish. So if I tell them say I day show, they know say I day show.
And only you can't be the woman among many brethren.
You know, as the Olori now, I'm so proud to be the Olori. You know that kind of thing. You know, as the Olori.
All right, someone from you jump enter bros now. Because you know say your own, you know say earlier I've been talk of your. Not be saying anything, no. But for you now, because you now you come like say you don't pay for the music. Because you they look like you don't take like 40-something years before they even born you say.
Musical changer.
You are a musically inclined somebody.
Yeah.
How many years now music?
Professionally, 4 or 5 years.
4 or 5 years. Let me see this. You know,
Professionally.
Only the hustle, no. The hustle will be like 22. Plus the professional will be like 5. Oh, like nearly 30 years. You know? But music for you, how music be for you?
Very sweet.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
How do you feel the whole band thing?
Yeah, cool.
For you now, for band and doing live music, or all this one they go inside studio, go they do for us they do. Which one to you makes sense, pass? Forgetting say you did the band.
I'll go for live.
You go for live.
Live.
Okay.
Anything live, I like it.
Because live they more original to you.
Very originality.
And of course, we waiting for ourselves. We Nigerians would like to hear more live music, and then we go always do our best. Say we promote live music for inside this country, and also traditional music because everywhere now boom 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 din 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 escape route. Some of our artists they fit do live band. Then they fit do live band. I go one day. I know I call the guy name. I know I call the guy name. Like for like 4, make I say like 30 minutes. In song not play. So but live band day, they gonna say, sing.
Go play.
For you. You guys say,
Track 1.
so only they jump up and down. True as people they look at him. We died there today. True as the guy no fit sing. Is there video? Okay. Okay, that's the video. You know your voice, you get it, the voice, if they talk like this, very husky voice, but take the voice, they sing. But the guy try, but you know what the video. You know, can sing the thing live. But they say your voice be done good, so they can't talk say your voice not too good that day. But all the same, we appreciate live music, we appreciate traditional music, and that's the reason why we appreciate Una. All right, so Una go do one song for us now. That will carry us enter a break, and then from there we'll continue every. Today we'll go song now. The videos from the word of the day we will knock yesterday. Monkey not fine, but Mama like him into English things. Now I'll try. Now I'll try before I play the music. Translate monkey not fine, but Mama like him to English.
To English. A monkey is not fine, but is Mama like him?
Yo.
Okay, a monkey is not good looking, but he's being loved by no mother.
Nike. You try. This one they look up like this. Waiting they for. All right, so make I leave now for their hand. They'll give us some kind of beautiful music now, and then they go collect their space for that side, and then the whole show will continue. Ladies and gentlemen, now still the late night show. We cannot go anywhere. Still on top of Wazobia TV. Don't go nowhere. They come back.
The best station for your music and the time. Whenever you need it, don't got the dial.
No be say now wanting. Hurry, Wazobia, oh. Anytime, any day, we dey ready for you. Hey, make una help and say,
Hey, Wazobia. Wazobia TV. Wazobia.
We welcome everybody come back onto the show. Everybody sweet me inside the studio for here because our live band thing and it just sweet me they go. Today, Izybeatz no go the form scratching, scratching back inside the whole thing. We say we'll change the whole P today. So we still there with the correct band, Jafextra. Ladies and gentlemen, Jafextra. Jafextra, you know what they do. My brother. Now, before just now, I know Jafextra say comedy.
Yes, now.
Even though I don't know say music they involved.
Yes, now.
But I don't know say it's serious like this.
It's serious past this.
Say na different road to the market. I've been still on the hustle P.
No. See, I tell you, what if Jafextra they come out?
Yes.
Na music.
First things first. Okay, because I remember that song.
He won't wear ya tata. Somebody be mama for
I love that girl that year.
You don't take.
That's it now.
Now I'm to tell you now. Music for me na passion. Comedy na way of life.
Okay, so music is a passion, comedy is a way of life. Okay.
So now what thing happen be that?
But some people they do comedy on hustle.
No, that one are different. Would they see them when we know that one then go tell you say you get one man.
They're there everywhere.
Now they tell you now you get one.
You get one man.
That man.
Oh.
Which man?
It just the waka they go.
Where?
Where you come from?
From somewhere. Anybody's a man.
That's all now.
But Jafextra, this whole music thing now and the band thing, because I know say for a while now, you know they carry everything they go and stuff. How you take raise all of this whole thing? Say from that time when you first start the whole thing, say na band, I be now just you they do your solo thing, you can't raise in the band later. I be how things they go.
You know easy. Man, I first start with that one. To God be the glory. Because when I first start me say be like every other person. Only be say the difference be say I get vision.
Vision.
Say I want start new genre of music. Now make me release that old song.
That time.
And that song, I will say this any day. Now remake of Power Shop Vision.
Okay,
song.
yes.
Now I first do the original.
Yes.
Now me can't do the remix. And the thing can't get grant.
Yes.
Now along the way. You know say life, no mistake dey life. Now lessons dey.
Exactly.
I learn lessons. Because as it be, the market for Nigeria, when that time when Alaba dey dictate market, we say more follow market.
Trend.
But because he say when God not send you something,
exactly.
No matter how you try, the thing not fit work.
Enough you work. Now how you go to struggle inside?
You go to struggle inside.
Exactly.
Now we go carry and come. We go many places, so but still the satisfaction not there.
Okay.
Now we come sit down. To God be the glory. I guess some people where they hear correct pass my own.
Okay. When they reason things,
they
reason things well.
One of them not there here now. Now be the cocoa because I had to give her credit. Name I know.
Okay.
Now they manage us.
Okay.
Now we come sit down, come analyze this. Say, guy, check out. The time when you do this thing, where God send you, will be the original.
Okay.
Where you dey.
Okay.
It carry you go everywhere. When you change am, where you dey, you not reach. Why can't we just focus on what God send you? Now we can sit down and say, okay, to take out to the next level, DJ track 2, no disrespecting. DJ track 2, no
track
work.
2! DJ...
Okay, play track 1, I just sing that for them.
That track 2 always cause wahala.
Now
always track 2.
Track 2, and the CD goes crash.
It goes scratch. All right, no, just play track 1.
Because you know mistake what most of us they do, we take biro right on top CD.
Yeah, exactly.
Once you write with biro, you don't scratch
everything
from the outside because the reader they see them.
Exactly. So now come guys to go back to the original.
To the original now. You don't feel now unless you see them.
Okay.
Now if they do DJ, it they short change us because the music na organic sound.
Organic sound.
That has a lot of traditional things.
Yeah, because I notice, yes, because everybody wear native attire. So now the idea of the whole thing.
Now the idea because na complete package.
Okay.
If you see us wear on Igbo day,
yes,
it be like we popular past Michael Jackson.
Of course, because they listen. These guys, you put a traditional. There's rich heritage inside the whole thing.
If you listen to the song where you go, they hear the talking drum.
Yes.
You go, they surround your head from
exactly,
the back, come front. Then that saxophone when put from the Igbo market.
Yes.
Now to the thing.
Exactly.
So
by the time don't chook that part inside, don't they blend everything together?
Now we can make a call and say organic sound.
Organic sound.
Now the organic music now we did.
So where the name come out from? Jafextra.
Alaye. Now move that one. See Jafextra. Now old name we don't take.
Yes.
Jafextra. Fight for extra. Now secondary school.
Okay.
You know how they go.
I think you dey fight that year for school. No, but like who gonna give head boot away?
No, not be like that.
Okay, your head is shine.
Now people will like food. Now they call Jafextra.
Okay, so you the gazotis.
No, the gazotis.
So
now football me I like, but I small that time. So I know it 30.
So Jafextra.
Now Jafextra mean na for football.
Okay.
But as I can't dey grow, now God can't dey give me brain small. Say Jafextra get new definition. Say na man's eternal quest for perfection.
Talk am again, me the year.
Man, the eternal quest for perfection.
Man, the eternal quest for perfection.
Say you want to be the best of how God creates you.
Hey!
And that thing, not be one day. It involves waiting with tag canning. Constant and never-ending improvement.
Oh!
You shock you don't know say I'm smart like this.
I don't know say you deep like this.
Okay,
no, but just some people they smart, but they don't deep. You understand? But that's a hint depth of something. Some people not just know what names they take they happen to person.
Because,
you understand me now?
Because Yoruba they talk and say Oruko lo Roni. Say now your name now they define it.
Exactly.
So that Jafextra now be now. I dey try improve to the best of waiting God
done originally
make me. Because I don't even feel I not sure say I feel meet up. So I dey try to make God help me
to help you
to meet up to how he want create me.
Exactly.
Now the Alaye who feel sing praise to God. na person wey their life now. Person wey God bless. Some people dey jail, we not dey.
Exactly.
Some people Boko Haram don't finish them. Don't be say we better pass them.
Some people dey for hospital, they no fit talk.
They no fit talk.
Some people na straight bullets meet them.
Meet
Some
them.
na which don't press the finish.
Do you understand?
Different
Some people
things.
their destiny dey somebody yansh.
Yeah, exactly. So they don't padlock the thing. Different things. Some people they hang their hearts for inside spiritual world. Different.
Some people they leak their
Nah.
destiny.
Exactly. Some they
Some-
use post they suck their.
Son now with straw.
It just some now straw. That now even upcoming though. Some they do tanker come they pack their blood. Different things. So with the tank goes in our living people.
Exactly.
Now
Now
they
they
sing the
praise. So now
praise.
the Jafextra àti àwọn Alaye. Now they praise God.
Oh! Abẹ ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún wọn, ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́, ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́.
Mẹ́ta àtẹ́wọ́ yèrè o.
See, I like name where they always get meaning. Where person go fit say, okay, now the meaning of the name now be all this one. You understand? That very, very making sense thing. For now, before just now, I been asked one question, you know, and I want to show people the video of the whole thing like this now. And where I see me they turn monkey not fine, but mama like into English.
I'll say no.
You understand? No, I don't ask you because you go copy your girl.
No, me copy my girl. What has she? What has she say?
Make I come ask you now. Monkey no fine boy, mama like put this for English.
Monkey ugly. Mommy love.
Talk
very.
Talk again.
Monkey ugly. Mommy love.
Monkey ugly.
Mommy love.
The way they the thing like this. All right, so no go watch the video. Come back, continue to talk small gist with Jafextra again, and then performance things go shell on top the whole late night show. Right, but don't go anywhere. We still there here on top of the show. They come back. Stay.
Monkey no fun. I like him. Obviously, he's more like somebody saying he don't like my child. But me, we born him. I like him.
Monkey no fine. Your mama like him. That means anything I have, I like it the way it is. You may not like it because it's mine. I will like it any way it is.
Baby, whatever he is, whatever the way, anyhow he looks like, the mom still likes him.
Monkey is ugly. His mom like him.
Yes, the monkey is not beautiful, but his mother is the owner.
Monkey no fine, mama like her.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now welcome back. Now don't hear every from different translation of the whole things on top of the whole matter. When I sit on top of the late night show, and of course I sit there here with Jafextra,
Yes,
my
so.
brother, my friend,
Yes, so.
entertainer of everything
Yes,
and
so.
things, with
Yes,
the correct band,
Awon
Jafextra.
Alaye.
Any which way we go do the whole thing. All right.
That's
So
the
Jafextra, I know say one of your program they come up very soon.
We don't do like every last Friday of the month.
Every last Friday of the month.
It's
Okay.
called they call it Loud in Lekki.
Loud in Lekki.
At Oriental.
Okay,
the African
okay,
band there.
okay.
Now free.
Free
For now.
for people
free.
to fall in.
Now
fall-
live music.
Enjoy live music.
Live music, mature comedy. And this month too,
Yes.
because of election, we dey do it on 20.
Okay,
For
okay.
make you for sure. We get Princess, we get Yetunde Omobado,
Hey.
we get Ogbolor,
Hey.
we get Bash, we get Nesta. We get many people.
Raskimodo call.
He go come visit just.
One of these days. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, because me, I want to hear good music, I want to enjoy correct music. And of course, he go give me that song that year.
Why?
I don't forget that song. But I'll be reminded today. So I go leave now for their hand, and by the time they end the whole song and performance today, I go fall in, full everybody take groove and everything. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure say una waka go our Twitter handle will be at W Late Night Show. Reach there, make una follow us. Now they see all the things for here. When they follow us sharply. All right. So make I leave Jafextra and the beautiful band to continue with the whole thing. Jafextra.
Yes, boss.
Make una take over.
You know how to go.
Take over.
Okay now. Yes, sir. Hey. Easy. Boni kilele yoga. Ẹ má gbà mí. Oga. Boni kilele yoga. Ẹ má gbà mí. Oga. Ìwọ òwe àtàtà. Tó bá rí mi màmá fòyà. Ẹni rere lẹ́ni tó bí mi, mo lára mo lè yan tata. Olóhùn èèyàn pàtàkì, tó bá rí mi màmá bẹ̀rù. Ẹni rere lẹ́ni tó bí mi, mo lára mo lè yan tata. Ìwọ òun èèyàn tata, òun èèyàn pàtàkì. Arábìnrin tó bá rí mi màmá fòyà, òun èèyàn tata, òun èèyàn ńlá rí. Sweetie tó bá rí mi mo ní màmá fòyà nítorí ilé tó dára ni mo ti wà arábìnrin. Ní ilé wa èmi ni àrẹ̀mọkùnrin tó bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ láláì lópin. Tàbá ti fẹ́ ra tọ́kájọ́ ṣe jìgìrìkìrì. Tàbá ti bímọ ọkùnrin tàbí obìnrin. Tó bá tọ́ mi wo ìfẹ́ mi ó dojú oyin. Òun èèyàn àtàtà, òun èèyàn pàtàkì. Arábìnrin tó bá rí mi màmá fòyà, òun èèyàn àtàtà, òun èèyàn ńlá rí. Sweetie tó bá rí mi mo ní màmá fò ìwọ òwe àtàtà. Tó bá rí mi màmá fòyà. Ẹni rere lẹ́ni tó bí mi. Mo lára mo lè yan àtàtà. Olóhùn èèyàn pàtàkì. Tó bá rí mi màmá bẹ̀rù. Ẹni rere lẹ́ni tó bí mi. Mo lára mo lè yan àtàtà. Ó yàrá. Easy. Mi ò gbọ́ sẹ́. Easy. Auntie baby, òrèké lẹ́wà, adúmọ̀ra dán, ẹ̀yin fojú o. Èjì rẹ̀ ló mú mi lórí o. Ẹ̀rín rẹ̀ ló dà mí lórí rú. Tó bá rìn ní títì, wọ́n máa já sí gọ́tà. Ìbèbè ìdí rẹ̀ ló mú everybody scatter. Auntie baby. Ora majudi, Auntie baby. Ora majudi, on top of your matter, mo ti wọ one chance. Angelina, oh. Come be my baby. Come be my sugar, oh. Come be my lover. Angelina, oh, kelele. Angelina, oh, kelele. Angelina, oh, kelele, say. Your love is a miracle, baby, jẹ́ ká máa jó lọ. Your love is a miracle, baby, jẹ́ ká máa jó lọ. Your love is a miracle, baby, jẹ́ ká máa jó lọ. Your love is a miracle, baby, jẹ́ ká máa jó lọ. Auntie baby, dúró kò gbọ́ná. Ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ ló mọ́kàn mi gbóná. Wá lọ́mọ mọ́mì, wá lọ́mọ dádì. So that you and I can be a couple. Tàbá bímọ obìnrin, wọ́n á jọ ẹ́. Ọkùnrin mẹ́ta, that will be me. Èmi superhero, mo ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́. Mo fi straw mu gàrí ẹlẹ́pà. Ó mọ̀ mí ó lọ bèrè lábúlé. Jafextra Awon, Moses of Ekiti. Mo ṣe legova lórí ice hockey. Owners corner nínú aeroplane. Mo mu champagne lóríta mẹ́ta láàárọ̀ environmental. Ní Lagos State ẹni tọ́lọ́pàá rí tọ́ka kò bí chicken. Tí mo borí tí wọ́n náà rúbi pákó. Ọ̀rọ̀ ń bẹ nínú ìwé kọ́bọ̀. Long and short of it ni wípé mo ní fẹ́rẹ̀ Angelina. Jọ̀wọ́ o fún mi ní one chance. Angelina, oh. Come be my baby. Come be my sugar, oh. Come be my lover. Angelina, Angelina, oh, kelele. Angelina, oh, kelele. Angelina, oh, kelele. Angelina, oh, kelele. Your love is a miracle. Baby, take a majula. Your love is a miracle. Baby, take a majula. Your love is a miracle. Baby, take a majula. Your love is a miracle. Baby, take a majula. Orí gbé mi débi rere. Orí gbé mi débi rere. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o. Orí gbé mi débi rere. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o. Bí mo ṣe ń lọ, bí mo ṣe ń bọ̀, bí mo ṣe ń rìn. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o. Bàbá dá mi láre. Jẹ́ kó dára fún mi.
Still on the P of every.
Jẹ́ kí n ṣoore
For
fún
here
mi.
we'll say good night to
Jẹ́ kí n
everybody.
ṣoore fún
We'll
ìyá
catch
mi
you now on
àti
Monday, and everything continue from there. God bless you now for the whole week. We're not follow us the whole thing, and we'll go see you now. Jafextra and Alaye. We'll continue. We'll see you now. Good night. Hey.
Orí gbé mi débi. Orí gbé mi débi rere. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o. Orí gbé mi débi rere. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o. Bí mo ṣe ń lọ, bí mo ṣe ń bọ̀, bí mo ṣe ń rìn. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o. Every day I wake ní òwúrọ̀, màdúpẹ́ lọ Olúwa máa borí mi sọ̀rọ̀. Orí agbe ní gbére fágbe, orí àlùkò ní ṣe tàlùkò. As I hit the road today, orí tèmi jẹ́ kí n rí rere ṣe. Ó ti ń bá dáwọ́lé, bàbá mi mọ́ jẹ́ kó yọrí sí rere. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi, hear my please, be with me, don't let me die. Just let me rise so high, shine so bright up in the sky.
Orí gbé mi débi rere.
Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o. Orí gbé mi débi rere. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o. Bí mo ṣe ń lọ, bí mo ṣe ń bọ̀, bí mo ṣe ń rìn. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbé mi débi rere o.